In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Notion calendar. Getting your time zone right in Notion is essential for accurate deadlines, reminders, and calendar events. If your times look off or you're working while traveling, a quick update to your settings will make everything line up with your local time. Start by opening Notion, either in the desktop app or in your web browser. The process is the same in both places. Once you're in, head to your settings. Depending on your version, this may appear as My Settings or as Settings followed by Preferences. Both lead you to the same place where you can manage your account and app behavior. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Language and Time. This is where Notion groups all regional preferences, and it's where you'll find your time zone controls. Take a moment to locate time zone within that section. You now have two straightforward options. The first is to select your time zone manually. Pick the city or region that best matches your location. Manual selection is helpful if you want your time to stay fixed, no matter where you travel. It's also a good choice if you use a VPN or remote desktop and don't want your time zone changing unexpectedly. The second option is to turn on Automatically Update Time Zone. With this enabled, Notion follows your device's time zone and updates as you move between locations. This is great if you're frequently on the go, because your events and reminders will adjust to your current local time without any extra steps. Once you've made your choice, Notion uses that setting across the app. Your date and time displays, everything from database date properties to calendar views and reminder notifications, will reflect the time zone you set. This affects how times appear to you, ensuring deadlines and events match your local context, while collaborators will see the same items in their own local time zones. If you collaborate across regions, this prevents confusion without changing the underlying event times. A quick note on accuracy. When you choose a specific city or region, Notion can apply daylight saving time rules automatically. If you notice any mismatch, confirm that your computer's system, time, and time zone are correct, since the automatic option follows your device. That's all you need to do. Open Notion, go to My Settings or Settings and Preferences, find Language and Time, and either set your time zone manually or let Notion update it automatically. With that in place, your calendars, deadlines, and reminders will align perfectly with your day.